Hi, everybody. I wanted to kind of help you to go over your grades in the gradebook just so you sort of understand how that works. And so remember, there are two different gradebooks. When you click on grades, you'll see something like this. And here you can see you've got all of your assignments and you can see your score. Now remember, most assignments in my class, you just get a check mark if you've completed it and an X if you didn't. So this person's completed most of their assignments. And then you can see there's this one grade here, current average from Learning Mastery Gradebook. So that's where I actually put in your average score from the Learning Mastery Gradebook. And so right now you've only really got one assessment that is there. And then there's the combustion lab, which I have not graded yet, so you can see that. So you can see that the 2.7 divided by 4 is a 67.5%. That's what comes from the Learning Mastery Gradebook. And so this person's total grade for my class is 67.5, which means that translates into a B with my grading scale. So this person's doing very well. Now, if you click up here, you see there's a Learning Mastery Gradebook. And you click here and you see that you've got these different scores here. There will be another one that shows up for this unit where we do content. So all of the scores that I've given you so far are skill-based. So these will be averaged across the entire school year. So if you click here on cross-cutting concepts, you'll notice you've got all these different scores, and you can click on them to see, how you did on that one. So this person mastered the cross-cutting concept, CCC1, etc. And you can see the assignment that it was assessed on. Later in the year, you'll see more of these assignments sort of pile up. Okay. Now, if I go back to assignments, you can see the details of your rubric by clicking on Show Details, and you can see all my comments. And if you scroll down, you can see the Unit 0 assessment. I've got the rubric here that this person got. So you're going to be able to look at all of the things I assessed you on. So you've got patterns, she got a 3, cause and effect, a 2.5, asking questions, a 3, planning and carrying on investigations, a 3, engaging arguments from evidence, a 2, and obtaining and evaluating communicating information, a 2.5. So you can kind of see all of that. And today I really want you to go ahead and find this, and you're going to be able to analyze this a little bit in a reflection. Okay. So I hope that kind of makes sense on how to translate the two scores. During the school year, if you ever want to know how you're doing in terms of your skills and what you know, it's always in this Learning Mastery Gradebook. You can always see it here, okay? And you can see your scores for each of these things. Some of them are blank because I haven't assessed them yet, okay? So that's how you can kind of tell what you're doing. And if I go to the science and engineering practices, we've only evaluated 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. So later in the year, we'll evaluate all of these. Okay.